It is my pleasure to attend this regional planning meeting after my participation last year in that of the global planning meeting held in Patancheru, where I had the opportunity to acknowledge on behalf of the governing board the significant contribution and achievement of ICRISAT to the improvement of the livelihood of so many smallholder farmers throughout sub-Saharan Africa and Asia. During that meeting, I also expressed the board's satisfaction with the commitment of our staff from the headquarters and the regional hub to the center, without whom this result could not be achieved. For those of you who were there, in addition to the opportunity you had to learn together from the challenge the center was facing and to have a collective reflection aimed at bettering the center activity, you were also updated on the CGIAR reform which is taking place and for which ICRISAT, like other CG Center, is expected to adapt to the change it will bring, change that will challenge all of us, but will also present opportunities. Therefore, my presence at this regional meeting should be understood as the board interest in the implementation by the regional hub of the outcome from the global planning meeting and to measure how the challenges and opportunities discussed at the global level are being taken into account and is impacting the West and Central Africa regional program. In this regard, I am pleased to notice that the agenda proposed for this meeting covers topics that will address the board expectation on how the West and Central Africa regional program is contributing in rising of science quality and impacts from our research and how it is improving the mobilization and management of our resources. Coming back to the CGIAR reform into one CGIAR, which concept was endorsed recently by all the center, I would like to express my confidence that our center is in phase with the mission of the reform, which call for ending hunger by 2030 through science to transform food, land, and water system in a climate crisis. Focus on 5 impact areas of nutrition, poverty, gender, climate, and environment. Indeed, the proposal from the previous discussion on ICRISAT new strategic plan contain important inputs which need to be catalyzed during your discussion on this topic. They should facilitate the refreshment of our mission of reducing poverty, hunger, malnutrition, and environmental degradation in the dryland tropic. And they should also facilitate the future discussion on the development of one CGIAR research portfolio. I am thankful to the Director General, Dr. Peter Carberry, for initiating the discussion on the new strategic plan and hope that the outcome from the West and Central Africa planning meeting will enrich the process for its development under the leadership of the new DG, Dr. Rachel Chikwamba, who will join the center very soon. As stated by the regional director, I will be here for 3 days with you, and we will have the opportunity to discuss more about this one CGIAR reform. So I just want to conclude by extending my sincere thanks to the ICRISAT management for succeeding to schedule the 3 regional planning meetings, and especially to the regional director of West and Central Africa, Dr. Tabora Majita, and his staff for making this meeting possible. While looking forward for an active participation of all of you all, I wish you fruitful deliberation. Thanks for your kind attention.
Thank you.